If you're going to be working on the outside of your house, you have to have an extension ladder. It's simply the safest and most efficient way to reach high places. The challenge though is, how do you prevent the rails of the ladder from damaging your house? You can buy special mitts and cushions that fit on the top of the ladder, but they cost $20 to $30. So I decided to make my own using nothing more than a $1 pool noodle. What I did is I took the noodle and I cut a section using a serrated bread knife. Then I slit it lengthwise just to open up the hole. What you end up with is this, a short section with a slit on it that you can slip over the rail. You want to make sure it extends maybe a ½ inch or so beyond the end of the rail so that the corner of the ladder doesn't damage the house. Now we're just going to stand it up and lean it against the house. Just walk it up one rung at a time and then pull it back to the proper distance. There, perfect. What you'll see is the pool noodles will rest against the house, protecting the siding.